Thank you for tuning in. So today guys, as the title suggests, it's my birthday. Wow guys, I am 29. I can't believe that I've been spared 29 years. It's really amazing guys. I feel so blessed to have been on this earth that long. Well, I'm not old. I still feel very young at heart. And guys, I'm so excited to be doing this video today. I'm doing a birthday vlog, but I'm also going to include just a quick snippet of what I'm doing for my makeup. And there's a reason for that guys, because have a look my loves. I don't know if you recognize some of these brands. These brands guys. Okay, there's lots more. I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, what is all this going on here, Laden? Guys, I will very soon be making all these brands available to us South African ladies. Woo-hoo. So tell your mother, to tell your auntie, to tell your grandma, to tell your sister, to tell your brother that these brands are coming to Cape Town, guys, and I will be making available to our ladies. I will definitely keep you guys informed. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I do upload new content, which is weekdays, Monday to Fridays. Right guys, I'm just quickly going to do my makeup because I've got a whole vlog that I will be filming, and I'm really excited to show you guys the products. I also want to tell you guys a bit more about how they feel. I'm still going to be doing some reviews. This is just quickly me. I'm going to be using them today. I will do another video on an actual review about the products, right? So this is the 4th Ray Beauty Milk Rose Face Milk, okay? And it contains some amazing products. Like I said, I'm just quickly going to be doing my makeup today, guys. I'm not going to go into detail as to the products themselves. However, I'm going to be doing a review for all my South African people out there that have not yet tried these products, including myself. This will be my first time using these products, guys. So I'm really excited. These are all authentic brands that I have imported myself. I'm going to be starting my own little thing where I'm making these brands available to our fellow makeup lovers in South Africa. So please, you need to stay tuned, and you need to tell a friend who loves makeup as well. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, and this is the final look I'll be having for the day. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and please stick around to watch the vlog for my birthday. Hi everyone, so I'm so excited. As you guys know, it's my birthday and hubby's surprising me this morning with a breakfast. He's taken leave today, guys. How awesome is that? So I get to spend the day with him as well, and he's not telling me where we're going, but we're driving now, and I'm excited, so we'll see when we get there. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
So guys, I'm still trying to guess where we're off to. Hubby won't even throw me a bone right now. I'm asking if we've been there before, and he just shrugs his shoulders. So I don't know where we're going, but let's see where we'll end up. Okay guys, so we are at the Durbanville Hills, and hubby's booked us in for breakfast this morning. This is him taking our daughter for a walk. This is the view right now. You can see Table Mountain from here, and that's probably Blauberg Beach. It's really awesome. I'll go outside a bit later just to give you guys a better view, but it's really lovely. I love it. It's a beautiful day. Okay guys, so I've come out to the balcony. Look at this view. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Wow. Isn't that awesome, guys? I'm really loving this. Hey, princess.